Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Luba and I'm a holistic health coach and energy healing practitioner and meditation teacher. And I want to record this short video to share the 7 tips how to maintain the ultimate health during the season changes. And it's more probably like a reminder for you as the temperature is getting cold and we get less and less sunlight. It can affect our body. The fluctuation in weather can put the stress in our immune system. The dryness of the season can also affect our skin, our mucous membranes. It's allergy season. The diminishing of sunlight can affect our mood, which is also can affect our mental health. So how do we alleviate all the symptoms and stay healthy and vibrant and enjoy the fall and upcoming winter season? So there's like 7 main adjustments that I always recommend for people to do. And you don't have to do all the 7, but maybe 1 or 2, because our life is so busy and sometimes we don't even pay attention to those seasonal changes. But it's our body is very connected to the nature, and as nature changes, our body is changing, our body is adjusting. So it is very essential to support ourselves during this transitional period. So number 1 is always adjust your sleep. If you could just go to bed 30 minutes earlier and wake up 30 or 15 minutes later, it could make a huge difference during the fall season, because we all know that the proper amount of sleep positively affect our hormonal functioning, our immune system. It also helps us to be in a good mood, which is essential for the mental health, and also prevent from the seasonal illnesses. The fluctuation in temperature can really affect our energy level. And if you just listen to your body, and if you need to take a little nap during the day, if you have that capability to have that is awesome to restore your energy. Otherwise, just make sure you have enough sleep. So number 2 is adjust your diet. As temperatures get colder, our body naturally will crave the more warming, more grounding, and nutrient-rich food. And that goes to the root vegetables and like hearty soups with vegetables, all this kind of nice and grounding food that we have in the fall, like sweet potatoes, squashes, carrots, Brussels sprouts, all those kind of food. And also adding like a little warming spices like cinnamon or turmeric or ginger, which is really good for blood circulation, anti-inflammatory. And like coriander, fennel is excellent for helping to extract the excessive air or gas in our body. So also to strengthen your immune system, it's really beneficial to start adding the fermented food like homemade sauerkraut, or another natural probiotic is the apple cider vinegar. Add to your diet, or if you don't like the smell or taste, you can take that in capsules. And of course, as season progresses, it's really beneficial to take some extra vitamins like vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D is really good especially for the Northern Hemisphere people, as we don't have a lot of exposure to the sunlight. Number 3 is stay hydrated. The weather during the fall and winter tend to be more drier, and dehydration is number 1 cause of the constipation. So Make sure you drink plenty of water. Also, you can incorporate like very nice herbal teas like chamomile or ginger tea, or tulsi or holy basil tea is very good and calming for the body and nervous system. Also, you can sip hot water, which is very beneficial as a light detoxifier. And eating rich in fiber food is also very beneficial. So number 4 is to support your lungs and your sinuses. As fall weathers tend to be dry, then it affects your mucous membranes and then creates some issues with sinuses and cough. And so to prevent that, always keep the air moist in your house, run the humidifier. Also, like really good belly breathing, deep breathing exercise, or breath of fire can strengthen your lungs. And like having diffusers with and adding essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint also helps with your sinuses, clearing up your sinuses. Number 5 is adjust your exercise. Be mindful of the vigorous exercise during this time, because any excessive breathing, any exercise then requires like excessive mouth breathing, brings a lot of stress to your body. So it doesn't mean that you have to stop doing the cardio, but just listen to your body and maybe engage in some more exercise that helps you to be more flexible, grounding, like yoga or stretching or body conditioning, or even walk in the nature, because if it depends of your lifestyle. So if you have a stressful job, for example, and you are running all day, doing all this activities, you stressed, and then after work you run to the gym and you're jumping for another hour doing the vigorous exercise, you putting a lot of stress on your body, and most likely at the end of the day you'll be exhausted. This exercise will not give you energy. So so consider to do more calming exercise during this working week, and on the weekend maybe you can catch up on your cardio, because your life is not as stressful during the weekend as it would be during the working week. I'm just saying, be aware, listen to your body, what you need, and adjust. So number 6 is keep yourself warm and dress up in layers. And most importantly, during this time, protect your ear canals from the gusty winds and keep your feet warm. And if your body naturally prone to feel cold, like you have a cold hands or cold feet, taking Epsom salt bath is an amazing treatment, with maybe with a few drops of lavender, rosemary oil, and it warms you up instantly. It helps to relax your muscles. It helps to reduce pain, joint pain, and it feels really, really good. And last, number 7 is incorporate some mindful practices into your life during the changes season. So something like meditation or deep breathing exercising, only 5 to 15 minutes every day of the meditation can reduce your stress significantly, calming your nervous system, reduce anxiety. It even physically, it reduces blood pressure, and lots of benefits. If you need any help, if you have any questions about meditation, how to start, how to do that, please reach out and we'll start conversation. I'm more than happy to help. So I know our life can be very, very busy, and we can forget about all these seasonal changes. And if you don't do any adjustments, it's okay, it won't kill you, but it will accumulate. The stress will accumulate, the lack of sleep will accumulate, the digestive issues will accumulate, being sick constantly will accumulate, and then it will become a bigger issue. And we all know when our body does not feel good, there is nothing that can make us happy. So please, I encourage you to do some adjustments, to look at your life, see what you can do to have a good season, healthy season, how to, boost up your immune system, how to strengthen your immune system, and so you can enjoy this season, fall season and winter and holidays. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And if you need an extra help, if you want to bring your health on track, or you need to talk about your health, I do offer the free 60 minutes health consultations. So please go on my website, lubashealthcoaching.com, and schedule the consultation with me. We can talk about your concerns, and maybe you can explore the holistic health coaching. Who knows, we may be a good fit for each other. So thank you for listening, and I'm wishing you an amazing rest of the fall and upcoming winter season, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.